Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. This is Carol's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. We want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. The handset cord needs to be replaced, so we'll take care of that issue. We also want to replace the line cord. We're going to use a 10-foot black line cord, and the modular plug that's on the original line cord that came in with this telephone is in bad condition. There's corrosion on the contacts, and the clip on that modular plug is broken. So we'll set that to the side. We want to take a look at the hook switch and make sure that that's working properly. We want to go through the network. We want to make sure that this unit is wired properly and that all the connections are tight. We're going to go through the bell and bell circuit. We also want to go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial, and we want to show you how it's dialing now. It's very sluggish. Now, you never want to force the rotary dial back into its original position, so we'll take care of that issue. We also want to troubleshoot the transmitter and the receiver capsule. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier. I'll go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. We also want to mention that we replaced the dial center window for the dial center card, and that's a very unique dial center card. It shows one long ring and one short ring. That's an indication that this telephone was on a party line, and if you got one long ring and one short ring, you needed to answer your telephone because the call was for you. It's not very often that you will see that type of dial center card. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. Now let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a very smooth return now on our rotary dial. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, October 31st. The current time, 9:37 p.m. and the temperature, 32 degrees.
We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Carol and she can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.